Let's just shift focus to Ola Electric. Now, it's likely in SEBI's crosshairs for an alleged insider trading. Let's go across to Tushar for the latest update on that. Tushar, what are you picking up?
Good afternoon. So, what sources are telling us now that SEBI may have Ola Electric on its crosshairs over alleged insider trading. These insider trading cases happened in October and December, and there are at least 2 counts of it that the SEBI has noticed. That's what the sources are telling us. Apart from these trades, the SEBI may also be looking into related party transactions by the company, as well as the sales mismatch which was reported in the month of February. Remember, the sales mismatch or any kind of sales reported by the company is important to calculate revenue for that quarter, as well as the PLI benefits and the subsidy that the electric two-wheelers receive against the sales that happen. We actually looked into the insider trading data. Remember, it's actually not a crime for an insider to trade in the stock, but a non-disclosure is. So we looked into the data and emerged that the Ola Electric's VP Claudio Zizzo conducted 3 buy-sell transactions within a span of a couple of days between October and December. Zizzo also conducted a total of 5 buy-sell transactions that again split between only a few days in all since actually Ola Electric's listing in August last year. Again, this is a developing story. We have reached out to SEBI as well as Ola Electric for comments on the matter. They haven't responded yet. Whenever we have something more, we'll reach out. We'll actually let our viewers know.
Right, thank you so much for giving us all those updates, Tushar. We'll keep an eye on the development for the same. Sameer, I'll quickly come to you on this one. The recent development indicates that the stock might see a significant amount of pressure if this is confirmed by the SEBI as well. What's your view with regards to this, and of course your overall view on Ola Electric?
Okay, so let's put this. If one of the employees of a company trades and doesn't disclose or does something incorrect, that doesn't mean that the company is at fault, right? It just basically means that an employee either has no idea what he's doing or knows what he's doing and is still doing it, and then the company needs to take action against him. Does it mean that the company sales are going to drop? No, it probably doesn't mean that. Now, when it comes to the other issue, so I'm talking about the SEBI issue. When it comes to the other issue of not the reporting of certain numbers being incorrect in February, we need to wait for clarity that comes out. But at the end of the day, if I look at the company without these issues, right, let's assume that they're able to resolve these issues by paying whatever penalties that need to be paid to SEBI for doing, for that employee and for maybe some mismatch in the reporting. The company is actually poised to see a lot of growth. In fact, we are going to have our second pure play EV two-wheeler manufacturer list very soon, and that's going to kind of increase the market. So we've noticed that when 2 and 3 and 4 companies in a similar space list, the interest and the coverages increase in that space, and then people are going to try to extrapolate value and growth. And eventually, India is a growth story. I keep saying this, that growth is very important in India because that is where the money is really made. Value makes you the money as long as there is growth. So I believe Ola is poised for growth. I think a lot of the negatives are already factored into the stock price. The stock has seen a huge correction. I think after listing, it went up all the way to 140, 150 odd levels, and it's down to about $50 right now. So you're seeing a 66+% correction from the lifetime highs and even from the IPO price. They have their battery manufacturing capacity, which will come on stream, which will allow them to vertically integrate. They still are the market leader in the EV sales. They still have the largest market share, 23%. So, all the things that are positive should also be considered. And I believe over a period of maybe 3 years, there's good money to be made. All the noise will eventually die out. So for me, this is a buy. Yes, it could have hiccups in the near term because of these news flows, but barring everything, I think the company is poised to do well over a long term.
Okay, so that's the view with regards to where Ola Electric is concerned, and we, sticking with the auto theme as well, Bhupendra Mehta has bought Maruti Suzuki and wants to know whether he should continue to hold at this level or sell. Sneha, I'll come to you on this one. What are the charts indicating for something like a Maruti Suzuki?
If you look at the chart structure, we have seen a very strong up move this week. It is already up by 7.5%. And looking at the chart structure, I believe there was a consolidation and the counter has given a breakout. It is poised for an up move at least towards 12,900, 1,300. That is the level which I'm watching for. Above that, there is further scope of 13,500 levels even. So the chart structure is quite good. The volumes has been quite good in last couple of sessions. So I believe someone who's holding the long may continue to hold. If someone has taken a fresh long today, keep a strict stop loss around 12,200 and continue to hold your long position for the target of 1350.